Alright boys, here we are with another video. So what we have going on today is we're going to take the Supercharged 9 Gen Civic Si and hit this whole back road all the way around top of the mountain and all the way down again. I just want to do a full rundown on what's done to this car. So this is a Kraftwerks Supercharger kit. It is a centrifugal supercharger, quote unquote, like a turbo driven on a belt. And this car is pushing about 13 pounds of boost on full E85. So I'd say 13 pounds of boost on full E85 on this K24 is like what, maybe 400 to the wheel. But let's just say this car is pushing high 300s to at least 400 to the wheel. What you guys know about the Simpsons Christmas theme, man? These go crazy. These pajamas about to give me some driver mod. This car is running 225, 40, 18. This is a tire setup. I'm gonna close this hood real quick. And let's get this going. All right, boys. So we are in the Supercharged 9 Gen Civic Si. Let's roll down this window right here. Yeah, let's just roll down the back, who cares? Turn off traction control, much needed. Just keep spinning. Quick. I'm not gonna lie, this car handles pretty decently. I feel like I need a better seat, that's for sure. The 8 Gen Civic Si seats are just way more, they hug you more. Versus these seats, they're just like, I'm like all over the place. Just trying to hold myself back. There's hella people here today. Look at that view. Looks great. Guys, this car is hella strong. You just wouldn't really expect it to. All right guys, so looks like there is a lot of traffic today. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna start getting out the back roads and hopefully I run into somebody to do some runs with. the scat was starting to reel me in up top. I'm never gonna start in second gear ever again. I spun all through second and third gear. I set the car on cruise control. You know what's crazy about this car? When you're like in cruise control going like 75 miles per hour or so, like this car generally does pretty good on full E85. Like I'm probably gonna get like about 20 miles per gallon cruising on 75 miles per hour. But if I go like 65 or so, it's gonna get even better. So if you wanna get your money's worth, yeah, you could go switch to E85 and you're gonna save a lot of money only if you cruise the car. If you're not cruising the car, you're gonna get like 10 miles per gallon. What type of videos would you guys like to see regarding this car? Something that I really want to do with this car is actually put this car in a dyno. I don't know how much is pushing to the wheel. I honestly assume high 300s to the wheel, maybe even 400 to the wheel. But you know, who knows at the end of the day. So hopefully I can find a dyno around here and we can get this car on the dyno. If I'm kind of being honest with everybody, I generally miss my OG black Civic Si. That car was loud, it just turns heads, it looked amazing, it felt good. That was my favorite build of all. Right now that car is just parked under a tree and it's just collecting a lot of dust. If you guys don't know my OG black Civic Si, just look at my old videos, probably the start of my YouTube channel, and you're gonna see that supercharged Civic Si. But yeah guys, I think it is time for me to bring that car back to life.